Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, October 22nd. Hope you guys are having a great day so far today. We got a couple items here on the economic calendar. We'll start off what we get every Thursday, and that is the jobless claims from there. So last week's report came in at 898,000 people applying for unemployment for the first time. Forecast is supposed to dip a little bit down to 860,000, and we had the lowest reading we've had since March when we were in the 200s, and this is down to 787, so it broke the 800 barrier, which is a nice sign. So now we're down to 787 for this week's report. Very good numbers there. We also got existing home sales for the month of September. These are in the millions. So we had 6 million in the month of August. These are units, annualized units to be sold. And increase is supposed to be forecast count for 6.3 and exceed that for September. It came in at 6.54 million. So great numbers overall here so far. Last but not least, we got the leading index, and in August we had 1.2%. Forecast count for 0.7% for September, and came in at expectations. So overall economic data looks very well here. So let's jump over here at the headline news. So why is stocks down? Well, what's been dominating the headlines for the past couple weeks is stimulus. Their patience is kind of thinning down a little bit for the stimulus, getting something out before the election. And so they keep talking about they're getting closer and closer. But again, we also got to keep in mind that the Senate really has been not a big fan of this. It's been more between the White House as well as the House Democrats. Been negotiations, and the Senate's been basically saying they don't want a big bill, where the other two have said they want a big bill. Whether they will concede and move along with it, it's yet to be seen. But investors are getting a little impatient right now and getting kind of thinking that we may not have enough time to get a stimulus package before the election's out. So market's down right now. We still got Q3 corporate earnings coming out. We got basically Tesla came up, so those were being out. Didn't really hear much about as to if it was positive or negative, but I know that was being reviewed as what was being reported in the news so far. We also got, investors are also kind of looking at a couple different factions. So we got the Supreme Court nominee moving forward to be, looks like Monday will be when she'll probably be voted in by the Senate, is moved through the process to where now she's going to be going through the full vote on Monday. And then we got COVID cases apparently are rising. So again, that raises fears that maybe there might be more lockdowns or more restrictions and stuff like that for investors. So regardless, it looks like investors are a little nervous these days. Let's jump to see how this is playing. Jump ahead, see how this is playing out in the mortgage rates, and see what's going on over there. We are testing the 100-day moving average this morning, as you see with this little wick here. We're currently down 6 basis points. We did cover some of that ground here, but so I would simply say mortgage rates are very similar to what we saw yesterday. Yesterday's rates should be unchanged from what we saw yesterday's rates. As you can see, this more sideways pattern here. Again, we do got this 100-day moving average moving upwards, and so far providing a floor, as you can see from this little wick here. Let's jump ahead and see what yields are doing. Yields are often getting hot. They're up all the way up to like 0.85 right now, and moving forward. Now, the next technical level we might see is going to be right around, I think it was like 0.89. It might be the next level here. We're kind of waiting to see because we haven't been this high in a while. But that seems to be some indicators that what I saw some other forecasters kind of predicting the next level might be right around 0.89. So we're getting pretty close to that, but we'll have to wait and see what transpires here with the yields, because right now yields are adding more pressure to mortgage rates, which are, of course, rising as a result of it. All right, so that's pretty much for the a wrap for today's commentary. If you guys are looking for any information in regards to refinance or purchase, stay tuned. I'll leave a link to a website. You can gain more information, and also the link will be added to the description. So please feel free to take a look and see if we can answer your questions. If we don't answer your questions, my contact information will be on that website as well. A little bit about me is I am a loan officer. I work with a national company, so we can help you guys in with your pre-approvals to purchase your next property with financing as well as refinances. We have a lot of different solutions out there that we can help assist you with those, obtain those objectives. And so just reach out and let's talk. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.